Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. It is paper mouse time today, or maybe a little paper rat, but whatever it is, it's a cute little make. Now, just to point out to you whilst I have your attention, I have a paper dog version of these, which is super popular in my new kids paper projects books. That's super easy and super fun to make. So if you want a step-by-step guide in written format, do check out this book and have a go. Oh, and look how little cute mice corner bookmarks as well. But without further ado, let's take a look and see how these adorable paper mice are made. To make our paper mice, you will need a full sheet of black paper, some paper scraps, some white and some pink scraps for the details, scissors, glue stick and pens. So first we'll make our basic puppet shape, which we've made before. You take your full sheet of paper, only just fits on the screen, fold it over. Now this is not an exact science. It really depends on how wide you want to make your puppet. So you can bring them closer together or further apart if you want a broader face or a narrower face. Now with these mice, I quite like a narrow face. So it's basically just folded and I'm going to glue it down. You can also use sellotape for this bit if you wish. It's up to you. I'm using glue stick just because I have it handy. Now with the seam on the outside, or here, I'm going to fold it in half. So here's the glued bit. And then I'm going to fold it again. Now I'm not going to fold to the line here, I'm going to fold across it. That basically gives me a slightly bigger face. But again, it's just a question of preference. And then I'm going to flip it over and repeat the same fold. So you have this W. This is your basic puppet shape. So if you can put your fingers in there now, you can open and shut the mouth, and you can decorate it whatever way you want. Now again, this is a question of preference. You can tuck in the corners. So if you lift it, just fold it in, just to give the mouse a little bit of a shape. And then again, tuck it in, but you can also leave it square. So if you're working with younger children, you might choose not to do this bit. And then repeat on this side. I just like shaping things a little bit, because a mouse, or if it's a rat, they do have slightly longer faces, don't they? So now we just have a little bit of a shape. Okay, time for the ears. I'm going to cut out 2 ears at the same time so that they're the same shape. But having said that, you don't have to do that. It's a rough circle with a flat end. What I like about this is that whoever makes this mouse, each mouse will be unique and different. Then I'm going to cut some pink bits, contrasting bits to go in the middle of the ears. Let's see if this is big enough. Again, 2 at the same time. Yeah, I think that works quite well for me. And keep a little bit for a nose. Maybe a slightly bigger piece, I don't know. Just a little circle. Because our mouse is black, we need the pink in contrast. If you're making a white mouse, you'd have a little black nose. Next, draw some eyes. Literally take a penny, make a circle, draw an eye and cut it out. Ta-da! I've done 2 already, my eyes. But I also would like some whiskers. Again, because this is a black mouse, I'm just going to add a couple of white whiskers. Again, if you had a white mouse or blue mouse or red mouse, whatever other colour, actually maybe make them a bit wider, you can just use black or whatever colour you wish, to be honest. So a couple of whiskers. Time to assemble our mouse, and then we're almost done. There you go. Our mouse is finished. Have a quick go. There we go. Oh, so cute. Now, if you wish, you can also put a tongue or some teeth in there, but it's totally up to you. So just to show you again, both mice, depending on where you position the eyes, you really get a different characteristic to each mouse. And if you make the eyes look up or down, it's a really fun and quirky way to give your mouse a little bit of character. And as mentioned, we have similar paper puppets in my new paper crafts book. So if you want to have printable versions of these instructions, do check out the book. Hopefully you'll like it and get a copy. It's lots and lots of fabulous paper crafts for kids. In the meantime, don't forget to keep watching and keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.